was the ride?
I'm not riding very well. I don't understand. I can't make the turn.
Well, it's that sand wash, you know.
Oh, look,
I could usually do it, but...
I think you're very low on air here. Look at that.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
we have a flat
you got a
tire.
flat tire, dang it.
No wonder.
You know how far we are to push this bike back?
No.
Nah, come on, we're not going to push it. We'll fix it right here.
It's a relatively thin front tube, light, easy to carry, and it does the job even in the rear tire. You know, it's 21 for the front, the rear is 18, so you can squeeze it in, you can pack it in, pump it up with air, it does the job. However, when you're back home, you want to replace it with a regular rear tube. We had to loosen the rim lock. Right here is the rim lock, which keeps the tire in position on the rim, and of course we had to loosen the valve stem. So all we have to do now is get the tire off the bead and get the old inner tube out and change it with the new one. So what I'm doing here, I'm starting on the opposite of the rim lock, on the opposite of the valve, and I'm trying to press the tire into the bead. However, I think we still got a little bit air left, so we probably want to undo the valve.
Is this what you're looking for?
That's exactly what I'm looking for, yeah. I always put those on my valve stem, so when I'm on the trail I don't need to search for a tool. I have the valve stem remover right there.
I see.
And it just fits nicely into the valve and unscrews the valve stem. Stay very close right here and kind of inch it piece by piece over the rim. Here's the rim lock. I push it in with one hand.
It looks like it's getting a little easier now.
Now it's getting easier. The beginning is a little bit muscle work, but once you got it over, it's getting easier, and then you can do bigger steps. While the valve is still in the hole, so at the last, I push the valve through the hole.
What kind of air pressure should you run in these typically when you're riding the desert?
Depending what terrain you're riding, if you ride terrain without a lot of rocks, a low air pressure around 14, 15 psi is nice. Some people go lower down to 12 psi. If you ride a lot of rocks, 18 psi is probably the right thing to do. The rear doesn't matter too much. The front, if you have the front tire too hard, you feel your front end washing. So you would rather want to have a little bit softer front air pressure. However, in the end, to prevent flat tires, it's nice to have a harder air pressure on the front.